Discover the 3.5x to 90x Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope from Aliexpress, designed for precision work and professional applications. This advanced microscope is perfect for electronics repair, PCB soldering, mobile phone maintenance, and watch inspection. It is also widely used in biology, geology, archaeology, and industrial quality control. Featuring a 45-degree inclined trinocular head with super wide-field high eye-point eyepieces, it delivers sharp stereo images with true color and excellent contrast. The continuous zoom range from 7x to 45x ensures flexibility for detailed observation. With a trinocular port, you can easily add a photo or video camera for documentation and analysis. The microscope includes 30mm wide field WF-10X eyepieces with a 20mm field of view, providing crystal clear images over a large working distance. Built with full optical glass elements and all metal mechanical components, it guarantees durability and fatigue-free viewing. Adjustable interpupillary distance and precise alignment make it comfortable for extended use. Paired with a 4K or 2K digital video camera supporting HDMI and USB output, you can capture high-resolution images and videos for professional presentations or live streaming. Ideal for electronics manufacturing, precision parts assembly, and educational research, this microscope is manufactured under ISO 9001 quality standards for reliability. Upgrade your workspace with the Simul-Focal Stereo Trinocular Microscope from Aliexpress. Order now and experience unmatched clarity and performance for your projects.